Which sports do you like?
I don't like sports.
Okay. Who is lighter?
The gymnastics is lighter than the football player.
Good. Tell me about the girl before and now.
She was
She was. Now, what is this one?
faster. Faster.
Okay, so what is this one?
She was faster.
This is fast. This is.
Fast.
What is this one?
Faster.
This is fast. This is. What is not fast?
Stop.
So she was.
She was slow. Now she is fast.
Good. Is the football player faster than the swimmer?
Yes, the football player faster than the swimmer.
Is the football player faster than the
Yes,
swimmer?
the football player is faster than the swimmer.
Which is bigger, the elephant or the rabbit?
The elephant is bigger than the rabbit.
Good. What is this one?
Torch, bench, scratch, chest, free. Michael Lopez Eritrea is an Asian. He is from Spain, but he lives in the USA. Lives in the USA. He works with other astronauts to learn about the planets. The astronauts live in space for months. They work and sleep in their space station. The alarm clock rings early and the astronauts get up. They get dressed and they have breakfast. Eating in space is fun.